Social networking is the latest buzzword in online business and marketing circles, and people are starting to realize the power of this tool. If you are looking for tips on how to use social media to increase your list, then watch this video carefully. This video will teach you how to use social media to build your list fast. The first step towards building a huge subscriber list that will help you make profits online is to gain trust from your subscribers. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to use social media to increase your list. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. There are many ways of gaining a person's trust. You can give them valuable information free of cost or offer them some product that is useful. But before you start social media marketing campaigns, you need to gain their trust first. So, what are some of the social media strategies that can help you gain the trust of your subscribers? Using blogs. You should start a blog about your niche and invite other bloggers to guest post on it. This creates a friendly environment where readers feel welcome to ask questions. This will also give you an opportunity to interact with your readers and build rapport with them. You can ask them questions, which will help you create valuable content and answer their queries in turn. Subscribing to forums. There are hundreds of forums out there on any topic. The trick is finding forums related to your niche. Starting a thread asking questions about your niche is a great way to build trust, as you will receive genuine answers from people interested in what you are promoting. Social bookmarking sites. Bookmarking sites like Dig, Delicious, Reddit, StumbleUpon, and Propeller are some of the best ways to spread the word about your list. All you need to do is find a good bookmarking site and start making a few friends. Over time, you'll be able to add more friends, who will in turn share the information with their network. Use Facebook and Twitter. These two sites allow you to reach a worldwide audience almost immediately. Apart from reaching a bigger audience, you can also interact with your community and share valuable information with them. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to market your list using social media. Advertise through Facebook and Twitter. These sites are free to use, so you can have ads on them easily. You can also advertise through Google AdSense. Another way to advertise is through banner exchange programs. But the best way to advertise is by getting others to advertise for you. Use blogs. There are several blog directories that you can post your articles on. This is a good way to get your list noticed as well. Just make sure that the content on your blog is useful to your visitors. You can also leave a comment on other people's blogs and ask them if they would like to place your link on their blog. Use video marketing. Creating videos is a great way to explain what your product or service is all about. You can upload these videos to YouTube and other video sharing sites such as Metacafe and Vimeo. Build a newsletter list. A newsletter list is a must when it comes to marketing. You can build your list using a simple process called email list mining. This is a very effective way of marketing, as you can email your subscribers any updates or special offers you may be offering them. Have a giveaway. Companies such as Survey Savvy give away free products to those who sign up for their list. It's a great way of marketing, as it's one of the most used methods of marketing. This also helps in building a customer base, which is vital in building an effective list. So if you haven't already used social media in the marketing of your business, then you are behind the times. These are some great ways you can list your business on social media. Social media can increase your list significantly if used correctly. If you have not yet started to use social media, then now would be the time. Thanks for watching my video how to use social media to increase your list. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.